complete a citation, so I'll show you that now. What I have up is citethis4me.com. I've got a website where I've taken some information from. This is the very page I took the information from. So I'm going to copy that web address. I'm going to cite this for me, and I'll go to new reference. I've already told it, because I've been on this earlier today, that I want Harvard style, and you could have different sources, but this is going to be a website. I type in the URL, the web address. It will search for that, and it will go and look up some key information that's stored. Yeah, that's the one. And I want to continue, just checking that that's the one I wanted. It's just asking if there's any other information I want to add that it's not found, and I will complete that citation. Here's that information completed. These are two other ones that I've just done. If I wanted to reference something within a document while I'm within the text, I would copy the in-text citation. That's a very short copy, and what I would do is something along the lines of, I'd go to John Lewis' mission statement. I'd want to note there that what I'm talking about, so I'll insert footnote, and I'd just add that. That's my short citation. We don't tend to use that at the college. What I need usually is the in-text citation, the bibliography citation. That's the longer full citation. And we come to the bottom of our document, and then we paste that. You can see what that looks like. Here's another one I'll just show you. This is Investopedia. This is a very nice website. A lot of really good business definitions. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to Cite This For Me. It's offering us the premium version all the time. For our needs, we can just use the free version. Premium is good for wholesale citations. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. It's just checking it's not going to waste your time. Yeah, that's it. There might be some other information that you know that you should add there. And here we go. I'm going to include the bibliography citation. And I go back to my document. And there you go. That's the second one done. Okay, that's all there is to it.